Ah, just a second. This card keeps slipping. Wow. You wanna feel victorious. You wanna climb the mountain and be successful. You wanna celebrate with friends, family, loved ones, and feel that you managed to accomplish that goal, whether that goal is romantic or business-wise or in friendships. You wanna definitely put a transformation to it, trying to find at ease at your mind. There's something that's deep within your subconscious that you feel like you know, but you want to prove. You feel like you have to prove in order to show people that you've been robbed, and you know that you've been robbed. You just can't prove it. So you're trying to seek the physical proof to enlighten. Intuitively, you already know. But you feel at a loss, at ease. So sorry, you guys. I'm trying to work with it. My book keeps skipping over. The feeling that you have to work out on something because it's what's best for you, so you can find your true happiness and joy from within, all the way around. Because you sense that something's just not right. It's the feeling of insecurity and lack, and you get feeling that doesn't feel right, and something's just, you can't shake off that feeling because intuitively your intuition is telling you and letting you know. You feel overburdened, overtired, overstressed, overworked, beyond your means. You've been putting hard at work and at ease, but it's like you're so in your head about this, like, I know, and you're like seeking and trying to find the enlightenment that you seek and the clarity, trying to find the inner strength. It's like you just know it deep down inside, but you can't prove it, and you want to have the proof that you lack and you need. You don't want to feel that you have to be fire, defensive, sneaky. Best of luck, my friend.